If you're getting an Audacity upload error, don't worry. This is usually caused by an unsupported export format or a failed cloud upload, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We're going to cover the quickest solutions first so you can export your audio properly, check your connection, clean up the file name, and reduce the file size if needed. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and audio editing guides. Let's get into it. First, the most common fix is to export your project in a supported format like WAV or MP3. Open Audacity, then go up to File and choose Export. From there, select either WAV or MP3, depending on what your upload platform supports. WAV is usually great for quality, and MP3 is usually better if you want a smaller file. Once you choose the format, save the file locally on your computer instead of trying to upload directly from an unsupported project file. This step matters because many upload errors happen when the platform can't read the original format properly. So if Audacity is failing to upload, exporting a clean WAV or MP3 file is often the fastest fix. Now, if that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Even if the file is fine, cloud uploads can fail if your connection is unstable. Open a website in your browser and make sure it loads properly. Try a couple of pages if needed, just to confirm your internet is working as expected. If pages are slow, not loading, or timing out, that's likely the reason the upload is failing. In that case, reconnect your Wi-Fi, restart your router, or switch to a more stable connection before trying again. Once your connection is confirmed, move on to the file name itself. A surprising number of upload issues happen because the exported file contains special characters in the name. If your file has symbols, unusual punctuation, or extra formatting, rename it to something simple. Keep it basic and clean, using only letters, numbers, and maybe underscores if needed. For example, use a name like podcast_intro.wav or voice_edit.mp3. After renaming the file, save it again if necessary, then retry the upload. This small change can make a big difference, especially when cloud services reject file names that contain unsupported characters. If you're still seeing the error, the next fix is to reduce the file size. Larger audio files can sometimes fail to upload, especially if your platform has limits or your connection is unstable. Go back into Audacity and export the audio again, but this time use a lower bitrate setting if you're exporting MP3. Lower bitrate means a smaller file, which is often easier and faster to upload. If your first export was too large, this version may go through without any problem. After exporting the smaller file, try the upload again and see if it completes successfully. So to quickly recap, if Audacity gives you an upload error, first export as WAV or MP3, then check your internet connection, then rename the file to remove special characters, and finally reduce the file size if needed. These steps solve most upload problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Audacity tips, editing tutorials, and easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.